Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can upload high quality images, videos and stories on Instagram while posting. So let's start the video. First thing you have to do is you do a little bit favor to yourself and check in App Store that your Instagram is updated or not. If it is updated, then open it and here go to profile icon at the right bottom corner, then tap on three lines on the right upper corner. Open settings and privacy. Scroll down all the way and here find media quality and data. Tap on it. Now you have to turn off this use less mobile data and upload at highest quality. It will improve the quality of images, videos and real stories etc. It is not done yet. Now you have to leave Instagram app and go to settings in your iPhone or in your Android mobile. Here go to the camera app section and open formats, and if it is selected to high efficiency then select to most compatible. It will also improve the quality of images, videos, reels and everything you upload on Instagram. So after doing this you can upload high quality not compressed videos and images on your Instagram. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.